Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I would like to show you how we can hide apps in Redmi Note 13C 5G. So let's get straight into it. Now what you need to do, you will need this app security that you see right here down below. It's installed already on this phone because it's part of the phone, the app part of the phone. Now, once you click on it, just scroll down to the end where you will see privacy protection, and then at the middle you will see hide apps. So click on that. Now these windows open up, and here you have all the apps which you can hide. So let's go and try to hide these first four, for example, like so. And now we go back to the home page, and as you can see, before was this apps which I just hid it. Now how we can do that? So we can hide this. We can also unhide this, that we go back to the app, and here you can unhide them, but we can show them right here on the screen. So how we can do that is that we take two fingers and then we split them. So one finger goes up to the screen and one finger goes down, if you can imagine. So like you zoom in or zoom out with your fingers, that's how you can activate your hidden apps. So you just, if you zoom in basically, so one finger, you with two finger you will need two fingers. So with one finger you slide up, and with one finger you slide down, and you will open up these hidden apps. So if I go again, now it needs a little bit of time to show it. That's how you will then, that's how you can see then these hidden apps. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.